Morning. On today's episode of What the Fuck Else Could Go Wrong, charging system still isn't functioning properly, so for the time being I'm having to go back to a standard regulated alternator. Just going to stick a 180 on. Hopefully we're going to build a battery tray for the excess power d3100. Make the car look a bit prettier. Slap one of the 210s on. You'll have some dual alt action by the end of the day. And yeah, tidy things up. Fucking beat him here, ain't we? Wagga! Cool, fuck me. He's finally turned up. The main thing I want to try and get out today is to try and get this in there. Sam! There's Sam. Sam does weldy bits. This is Sam's place. It's got many metal things in here. It smells like metal. So, these are the old power runs. All the fuses down the side there. Sam's going to knock me up a battery tray for the excess power. Wonderfully. However, it may be fucked because it's part of the old system, but we'll see. These alternators are coming off because they're the deregged 180s. And we're at a standard reg 180 on the bottom to charge the 12 volt side. And the higher volt side will be the one on top, and then there'll be another one on top of that soon. This regulator is coming off, and down the back there somewhere, we'll be running some cables and drilling some holes for some shit.
There you go, your sex object.
Ah, good old boy.
I'm not going to put it near a battery.
Right. We're not going to miss all these cables, see that much.
Yeah. That looks nice.
Yeah, well, there's a lot of fun things. So,
None of that's hooked up to the battery at the back, is it?
there isn't a battery in the back. Oh, that white one?
Yeah, I was just
Yeah,
like-
that's Jerry's old fucked one. That's not hooked up. It's got to get done. Fucking mess under here is ridiculous. The mess under here is just like mad.
Good news, everyone.
Good news, what you got?
I found a charger.
It's got charger. We've just found out that Volkswagen, this is the main ground. Well, it's a Volkswagen engine, isn't it?
Yeah, fucking Audi.
Same thing. Shut up! Stop being awkward. This is the main battery ground, and this is the chassis ground, and the same cable continues through to ground on the engine block. That's mad. Right, so batteries out, battery trays out, all the extra cables out. Here are the 4 runs I'll be using as earth from the engine block to go at the back. And now it's time to remove cables coming from alternator and remove regulator. Oh no, numerous old aircon pipes. Shall remove them. Thankfully, it looks like to get this bit of pipe off, it's just one Allen key bolt, which is rather useful. Shit. Need a hammer. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Well, I really can't see through this thing. There's no way. I'm worried. Is there blood on inside of this?
No, that's paint your tit. That's fucking paint your tit. You're going to die.
I think you're just giving me a face shit. There's already blood on it.
And here we see Adam in his natural habitat. They can't fucking do anything. Can we see him through here? Yes, we can.
Right. I think I'm cutting through this one.
Yeah, you are. like that?
I reckon so. That felt like it went through.
Shall I give it a little bit of a wiggle? Oh, good wiggle. Oh, good fucking wiggle. Oh, look at that.
Look at that bastard.
Look at that.
Right, what else can I cut off?
You're a certified fucking metal fabricator, mate.
I am now a fabricator. What else can I cut off? Do I need this?
Adam's getting...
I don't need any of this.
And here is she, Adam, getting carried away with cutting.
I don't need that. I found more aircon pipe I can cut off. So once I take these alternators off, cut right through that. Why is it loud? Ah! Oh, baby. It's fucking spot on, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit of a gap on the side.
Oh, God, fucking amateur.
All I'm going to do is put a stitch weld on in the middle there.
Yeah.
That's all it needs, really. Right, you got a line.
Got a line? Doesn't sound like drugs at all, mate.
If I stand on it, pull it at the same time. Not too
Well, no,
tight.
don't pull
No,
it.
I'm not pulling it too tight. I'm just getting tension.
Where's the writing? No, just after the writing. Little thing I just found out. Because this battery is going to be the other way up, the positive is going to be on this side, the negative on this side. The positive that comes off the starter motor on these engines is just hidden under a little cap. You pop that off, you can undo that, and then you can undo that part, you can upgrade, sorry, that part of your electrical system. How cool is that? So we're going to take out the original Volkswagen Earth because it's smaller, run a chassis earth to there and run a separate engine earth to the engine. So pull that fucker out. Because we don't need those anymore. Right, now put a plug back on the old loom, so back on bottom alternator. Decided that the best course of action is to come from the battery negative to the chassis earth, and because this is long enough and I can fit two on it, I'm going to come from the chassis earth straight to the engine earth. So it should be way more than what I ever need. So this is the simple alt bracket. It's all you need. Does the job. Goes in the place of the aircon pump on the PD engines. So I'll show you how this sits in. On these two mounting points is where the aircon pump used to sit. This bracket simply marries up. Oh, it's fucking heavy with one hand. Bastard. And mounts, oh, it'll help. And mounts on the old aircon bolts. That alternator sits 1.5 inches in front of the top alternator. And as you can see, it's a decent amount in front of the lower pulley. So you do not lose traction on the belt at all. Good man here, Sam. Oh, Jerry's here. Sam here. Can make these, so if anyone's interested, inbox me or him and we can sort out a price. Cool. box for the battery. We also realised that we didn't have bolts for the top alternator, so you know, if in doubt,
manufacturing bolt.
just make one out of threaded rods and a nut.
That works. Fucking did with me, I don't know.
Oh, fingers. Hits. Holy shit, that's heavy.
Did he?
Yes, good. Wonderful.
It's alive!
Charging properly! Charging properly!
In the end, managed to get loads more done than I thought we would do. I thought I was being optimistic in the morning when I read off that list of shit that I thought we were going to do. But it's all done, so awesome. Yeah, standard Reg 180 in the bottom. Car's charging lovely again. Starts like a dream, which it didn't do before, which is great. Yeah, if anyone wants one of them alternator brackets, send me a message on here or Facebook or whatever. We'll see if we can come to a price. I only know it to fit the PD aircon pumps at the moment. It may fit other engines, but that's all I know it to fit. Yeah, so thanks for watching again. I'm naked right now, so, you know, with that information, you go have yourself a good day.